Hi guys, today I show you how to repair turn indicator stalk very quick and easy in a Volvo XC90 and probably most of the Volvo Series S, 60, 80s, whatever which one. It's a very easy job when your indicator stop working when you put it on the left or right and the icon is not blinking. So probably the cause is problem on some connector with that. So today I show you how to repair just about 10-15 minutes. Job will be done. Firstly, what you have to do, what you will need is Torx 25, small screwdriver and flat small screwdriver. Firstly, unscrewing underneath just 3 bolts, what I done already, a small one. Then remove top cap, top cover and the bottom cover. That's it. And then of course check out the rubbers, remove this 2 screws, easy like that. Pull it out, all stalk. That's it. And now the problem is here in this small board underneath. So what you have to do, unscrew the bolt, remove this board gently, but do remember, don't move the position, the handle position which is on the side. And now the problem is here with these small connectors on here. Can you see they are a little bit seized? So it's enough how to remove it. Simply take some pencil rubber, should be like that. Yeah, so take a rubber and just clean them. Also, you can use some nail remover and some small pad, and use this nail remover a little bit more clean, but you have to do very gently. Wipe to dry. That's it. Also, you can try this small contacts. That is don't move them. Right. That's it. Close the board. Right, now just put it start back, slide them like that. Screw it, these two screws small. Simply assemble everything like it was before. Put the rubber cover back, all these covers, screw it, and enjoy your new indicator. Woohoo! Let's have a look before. Working fine. Every press. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me. If you wanna something else, just ask.